In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change the cabin filter on your 2006 Honda Ridgeline and similar models. Before you get started, it's a good idea to clear out that glove compartment, and I'm going to show you why in a bit. Push your fingers in these two little slots on the side, and you're going to see two pins here, and there is a section on the other side to shove these in. Push until you hear a pop. Once you hear that pop, lift this up a bit and work those two pins out. Let's put those aside so we don't get those lost. Once you remove those two pins, this is going to come down. So once you have that glove compartment down, you should be able to have access to that air filter. So just put your fingers in there and pull these two clips aside and pull out that air filter. All right, so we're going to replace it with the new air filter. I'm going to take a look at it just to make sure that I set it in the right place. This one has an arrow pointing up. Oh, this is a new one. I'm going to put it with the arrow pointing up just like the first one. Pretty much that's it. I'm going to set this back in place. Make sure that's clipped in there nice and snug. Now that you've installed that filter, it's just a matter of reversing that process. Let's push this compartment just a little bit up. Snap those clip in place. And if done correctly, this should go back the way it was. Shouldn't come down any further. I hope this video was useful, and thanks for watching.